Hey guys, Good Tech Guy here, and today we're talking about the Nothing Headphones 1. Nothing's first over-the-ear headphones. And right out of the gate, the design is really good. But are they just have a good, unique design, or are they actually good headphones? We will find out. The transparent design isn't just eye-catching, it's unique and even premium. From the brushed aluminum areas of the ear cups to the transparent cassette tape areas of these cups. Even the overall build and extra weight that was put in from the aluminum adds more of a premium feel to the entire headphone. Comfort-wise, they weigh around 329 grams, and even though it is a little heavier than some of the other options, the memory foam cushioned ear cups and the memory foam in the strap help the Nothing Headphones 1 feel more comfortable on your head, even after long periods of listening to music on, say, a flight or something like that. They have a volume roller and then this paddle that you can use to switch songs, and also on the volume roller you can push it in as a button for like playing and pausing. And they also have a customizable button at towards the front that you can use for AI assistant or changing ANC or basically anything that you want. Tuned in collaboration with KEF, another British, I believe, sound company. They make very expensive, very high-end speakers, and they do make a $400 pair of over-the-ear headphones as well. Overall sound quality isn't too bad. It could be better. It's not like pro level like other over-the-ear headphones, but with the companion app, the Nothing X app, you can change the tuning of the headphones to basically any way you want. The Nothing X app is the control center for your Headphone 1. It gives you customizability for all the buttons. The standout here is the 8-band EQ customization, where you can change the tuning for the headphones from the mediocre pre-tuned tunings to any tuning you could ever imagine. Plus, there's even a simpler equalizer that only has 3 bands to change and even has several presets that you can choose from. The ANC is very solid, blocking out nearly all outside noises, while the transparency mode is very solid as well, being able to single out people's voices so that I can hear them. Overall, a very solid active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Battery life is really good here too, with 35 hours with ANC on and nearly 80 hours without ANC on, and a very fast charge of like 5 minutes for 5 hours. Of these headphones are the cool, unique, transparent design, the great ANC, the solid battery life, the intuitive controls and customizable app, but there are cons. They are heavier, you may not like the design, they don't have the best sound, even though that can be changed. The Nothing Headphones 1 are more than a style statement. They deliver strong performance and thoughtful features at a competitive price. They may not entirely outperform, say, the Sony over-the-ear headphones or the AirPods Maxes, but they stand their ground with good features and solid performance at a very good price. Thanks for watching. This has been the Good Tech Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and watch all the other videos.